In this video, we'll take a look at the initial step for using SCADA Sync, which is configuration of the gateway. The gateway is the connection between TopView and the SCADA alarms. First, we'll give a brief overview of the gateway TopView uses for each SCADA. This is usually the OPC server from the SCADA vendor. Next, we'll show you how to configure the gateway through the Install for an HMI step. We'll discuss the gateway configuration options and configure the gateway. A few SCADAs require the user to perform additional gateway configuration steps, so we'll discuss which SCADAs and where to find the details of the additional steps. For more information on the material covered in this video, please see the SCADA Sync User's Guide. We recommend installing TopView on the same machine as the gateway. This will reduce connection issues between TopView and the OPC server. If you're comfortable with the configuration of remote OPC connections, TopView and the gateway can exist on separate machines. For AVEVA InTouch and System Platform, the gateway is the OPC server in OI Gateway or FS Gateway. If this gateway is not installed, you should install it before proceeding. For the majority of other SCADA systems, the SCADA system includes an OPC server that can be used as the gateway. One exception is Rockwell FactoryTalk NRS Links, which require FactoryTalk Links Gateway. Links Gateway should be installed before proceeding. To configure the gateway, we need to use SCADA Sync to perform the Install for HMI step. SCADA Sync is accessed through the desktop TopView Configurator application using the button SCADA Alarm Tag Import. Let's take a look. This options screen allows you to import SCADA alarm tags into the current configuration or to create a new configuration for the tag import. If this is your first import of SCADA alarm tags, you should create a new configuration. Select your SCADA from the drop-down, and then confirm or change the name of the TopView configuration that will be created. Some SCADAs allow you to select OPC Classic or OPC UA as the desired communication channel. For this example, we'll use OPC Classic. The prompt is informing us that we need to perform the Install for HMI step. The Install for HMI screen has a button for each SCADA system supported by SCADA Sync. Click the button for your SCADA. The first option is common to all SCADAs. The TopView alias defines the OPC server name for your gateway. Select Yes unless you've already configured an alias. SCADA Sync assumes a specific name for your alias. In newer versions of TopView, you can override the default alias name. Click the Install button to configure the gateway. The options that you see for the Install step are the same for every SCADA with one exception. AVEVA InTouch and System Platform have an additional option that allows SCADA Sync to configure some settings within the gateway. OI Gateway or FS Gateway should already be installed on the TopView machine. Select your gateway or No to skip this option. If you skip this option, you'll need to manually configure the gateway settings. The last topic in this video is the manual configuration steps for your gateway. This only applies to the SCADA systems listed here. If your SCADA is not listed, you've completed the configuration of the gateway and can continue to syncing your SCADA alarms to TopView. For the SCADAs listed, please take a look at the SCADA Sync User's Guide section titled Manual Step, Verify, Configure Your Gateway.